Hello folks, I just wanted to hop on here and talk about this new item that I just ordered for, to help me create better videos, and it's basically a wireless microphone set, and apparently it comes with 2 microphones, so we're definitely gonna go ahead and unbox this. So here it is. We're gonna unbox it and see what it looks like. I'm so anxious to start using this. It's crazy. Alright, so it's, comes in a little package like this. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, nice. Check that out. Alright. I believe that's the receiver you plug into the phone. Okay. I'm just going to kind of put it to the side here. These are the double microphones. It's even got a clip. I see that. That's cool. And they're rechargeable. They're recharged by the case right here. Looks like got a little nozzle there, so the case definitely recharges it. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Gonna slip that back in there for now. It's got a USB-C port there. Let's see what else is in this box. What am I doing? What am I doing? There we go. Alright. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, got a manual. That's cool. I'm definitely going to be reading this when I use this. Alright, and what else? What we got going on here? I just dropped my coffee. It should be kicking in. Alright. Let's see what other items comes with this. Okay. Oh, it's got some other stuff in there too, I noticed. Hold on. It's like at the end of the box though. I just noticed it. It's like at the other end of the box. Oh! Check this out, folks. I'm just trying to get it out. It's got these extra pads to put on your microphone. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Okay, so also looks like you might be able to plug this into something else. There's also like a USB-C cord here, and it's got the other side where everybody recognizes. So you definitely can plug this into something else, or both of them, I guess. Wow, that's interesting. Oh, it's got an adapter. It's got an adapter. Oh my goodness. So basically, you would plug this into that, and then plug this into your lightning port on your iPhone. Cool. Cool. Okay, so you can use it on iPhone and Android. And PC looks like too. Alright. I am real anxious to use this. Let's get at it. I am so loving this case right here. You just simply open it up and get to it. That's why I like this carrying case. I mean, I love it. It's cool. And also the case itself, from what I noticed, is rechargeable. So it does recharge your wireless microphone. You know what? I'm so anxious to get at it. Oh, as you notice, you can hear some stuff around me and everything. And apparently, this particular microphone cancels out background noise. So we're definitely gonna try that feature out. Let's do this. Here's another side note I just noticed too. If I can get the camera to focus in on it. It's like a piece of tape that's on here. Definitely take that off before you put it in the case, so you better actually charge these up. I just discovered it myself. So keep that in mind when you get these, to take that tape off so those contacts right there get in contact with the case, and the case will charge up these microphones. So right now I am recharging the case for the wireless microphones. As soon as that's done, we'll be up and running. And I'm just using this battery bank to do it. Okay, now I'm going to check the charge on it. Now the switch, I had it wrong earlier about that being an on-off switch. No, that's actually the pause switch. But basically, if you don't want anybody to hear you talking, you just push that up, and then when you want people to hear you, push it down. I believe. I'm gonna find out for sure when we actually get this up and running. And that's the power button. I'm gonna press on it now. Check on the charge. Oh, Yep, it's working. So now we're gonna go ahead and actually put the receiver on this phone and try these out. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Basically testing out the microphone with this. See if there's any noise in the background. Hopefully there's no noise in the background. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and try microphone number 2. Apparently the receiver is supposed to be able to receive both of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Turn the receiver on. And it's connected. See, just like that. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna stop this recording and see what it sounds like. I just got finished listening to the recording that I made, and these sound awesome. They do. I mean, you can use this for an interview, talking to somebody else while you got your own microphone on. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let me try it just kind of like sitting on my pocket or something like this. You get the gist. It'll be sitting on your person or whatever. Right now it's close to my mouth. I'm gonna put it down here. So that's pretty much it. That's a pretty good deal. These are the real deal. Hope this was helpful. I'm definitely gonna be using these. Yes. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try this pause feature. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and test it for distance, see how far this microphone goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my microphone on. Wow. I didn't turn the other one on yet. I'm gonna turn this one on while I'm outside. Because I got this one on right now. I'm gonna go outside with it and see how far we can go. As you can see, I'm still making my way. I'm even going to close the door here. Make my way outside. So I'm walking my way towards the fence here. Wait a minute, I should open the door. Let me open the door. Oops, my bad. Y'all gotta be able to see me. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna walk to the fence. Walk all the way to the fence here and stand by the fence here. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta bring my trash can back in. Oh well, I'm gonna do that after this. And as you can see, me, I'm outside. I'm gonna walk back in, check out the video. Oh, I'm supposed to turn this on too, right? Let me turn the other one on. Da 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 da. And this one connected as well. Now I'm talking to the other one. This is pretty cool. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's got a good range for sure. I could be across the street with this pretty much. I'm gonna close the door here. I should be wearing it, but let me wear it. I'm gonna wear it is. All right. Now I'm just wearing the microphone on my chest. I'm back in the house. And that's pretty much it. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot for my videos. Absolutely. I hope this was helpful.